Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jim. This is just going to be a short video. This is my entry into the Drag and Drive 2026 group build hosted by KRD. Starts on January 1st, ending on December 25th. The kit I'll be using is this 1970 Chevy Chevelle SS. I've got a lot of plans for it, but I'll reveal them at another time. I do have to pick up a trailer, which I found one, because you're going to need a trailer. And this is a really pretty cool build Jason came up with. Really looking forward to this. This is a big block car, but I don't think I'll be using too much out of this. I'm going to probably back half it. Maybe even put a tubular front end on it. And I'm not sure what engine I'm going to put in it yet. I may go naturally aspirated, or I may go twin turbo. I don't know. But that's my entry. And if anybody's interested, it's a really cool build idea. And with that, I'm going to say goodbye for now. It's only a little short video. And take care. Peace. Happy modeling. And I'll see you on the next group build. I will have an update. Let me swing around here. On my gasser builds within another day or two. I don't want to bore you with too many of these videos, but it'll be in a few days. But this is my entry into this, and take care, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. She almost drives me crazy. I gotta get